A water chestnut is an aquatic invasive plant. At the bottom of the stem, there is a water chestnut seed, which is a pointy brown, can't miss it, very easily identifiable, the chestnut part of the plant. Water chestnuts are originally native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, and they came over to the Northeast in the 19th century. They probably started out as an ornamental plant, or if you were an aquatic gardener, you had them in your backyard, and much like these plants tended to do, escaped into our local rivers. Water chestnuts, they are heavily invasive because they are prolific spreaders. And so each one of those plants can actually produce 15 to 20 seeds. And each of those seeds can produce 15 to 20 plants. These seeds can actually remain viable in the sediment for up to 12 years. So our project is kind of this two-pronged holistic approach. For areas that have not a lot of water chestnut yet, this is a smaller scale volunteer opportunity. And so you can go out there with a handful of volunteers, pull the water chestnut, and you won't see any water chestnut anymore in that area. And so what we're doing is trying to create this network of volunteer organizations as well as trained municipalities to be able to take this regional issue and have a sustainable solution to it. Pulling water chestnut or getting involved in aquatic conservation doesn't require you to be an aquatic biologist by any means. As long as you care about your environment, you want to increase biodiversity and lessen the impacts of an invasive species. It opens up recreation opportunities, especially in a densely populated urban area such as Southeast Massachusetts and Rhode Island. These opportunities are fewer and further between, so we need to make sure that we're protecting those aquatic habitats that we do have. At a water chestnut pull, you'll be trained by one of our partners or us, and then you'll head out on your kayak or your boat. As you're clearing up an area, you turn around and all of a sudden it's all gone now, and it's a very gratifying experience.